Martin Romualdez. Ma'am, go ahead.
It's really wonderful to hear something like that, because for the past 3 years, the Filipinos have had to bear this abuse, and arrogant Martin Romualdez is abusive. And not only that, no, the lapdogs in Congress are just so sickening. Nakakadiri, di ba? Nakakadiri sila, Abante. Everybody bowed before him. Nobody went against him except Senator-elect Marcoleta. Just a handful. Richard Gomez, and they suffered, no?
Yes.
Pero kakaunti, lahat ng nakita mo diyan sa Kongreso nakakadiri. 'Di ba? Yan sila Abante, sila Acop. And the
JJ
people had to
Suarez.
watch this, no? The people had to watch it, sila Libanan, nakakadiri, no? Sina Barbers. And here the senators, no, say to Forchis Escuderos, the president, Senate president, say something like this. It's a pushback, and it's wonderful. And for me, mahalaga kasi nakikita ko dito. Of course, it's Chis Escuderos speaking, no? Of course, it's Alan Cayetano. Of course, it's all of these, Dito Lapid, etc. But these are seasoned politicians, no? Which means that they are listening to the people. Therefore, ang sinasabi sa atin, mga kababayan, yung sinasabi namin dito, ang totoong kapangyarihan ay ang taong bayan. So